You won't believe how delicious our Polish coffee cake recipe is. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious Polish coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. This cake is a traditional dessert in Poland, and it's known for its moist texture and rich flavor. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, at room temperature, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, at room temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup brewed coffee, cooled, powdered sugar for dusting. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch, 23 cm round cake pan. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, and then stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually mix in the dry ingredients until just combined. Stir in the cooled coffee until the batter is smooth. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Let the cake cool for 10 minutes in the pan, then remove it from the pan and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Dust the cake with powdered sugar before serving. And there you have it, a delicious Polish coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning how to make this traditional dessert. If you tried this recipe at home, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.